Item 78.
78 about 8.5 now.
Springfield Fire Department, industrial area, some kind of possibly an explosion. 4420 South 76 Circle, 4420 South 76 Circle. There's no business name that was given.
Yeah, okay.
1002 Southwest 2 Command 70.
70.
Are you clear on the last?
I was not. I was on another channel. Go ahead.
Fire Department and 70 are en route to some kind of possible explosion. It's an industrial building, 4420 South 76 Circle. This information.
That's good.
72, why don't you show me a route as well, in case we need traffic control there.
Understood. Just FYI, it's a dead-end street. Gotta come in from F and go south. General?
76.
76.
I'll be 10-8, code 7 and 8 to MUD, and I'm clearing the call in my area.
78, you can disregard.
And 72, what did you say was the best way to come into that?
South off F Street, off 77th. The alarm company called the actual name of the business is International Nutrition. The address is 7706 Eisenite is the actual address. Go south from F Street, 7706 Eisenite.
That's clear, thank you.
72 to 6. Let traffic out, but they're asking that we shut all traffic down into F Street, or down to the street from F.
70, yeah, we got to close down.
70 to 72.
Go ahead.
Who's the traffic unit you have down there?
2 Tom 25 to radio.
Go ahead, Tom 25.
10 code 1 from the autopsy up temporarily at this fire incident. They'll select and get you. They'll be here in about 10 minutes.
All right, thank you. 10-11.
Man 70.
Yeah, go ahead.
Man 70, I'll be arriving here shortly. Did you say southbound from 77th and F Street?
Yes.
That's great.
Here's your serial number. I can put you on my cast.
Sorry, my cat's been down it. Be driving 470, number's 1228.
Thank you, 10-11.
Be advised, I don't think police should be able to get close to this incident. Advise if and when they establish incident command, and if you can clear an event channel for us.
78, Command 70.
Go ahead.
I got a father up here. He's pretty excited. Where should I send him to?
We haven't gotten anything established yet. I can't get in to talk to any fire command here, so just tell him stand by.
He parked in this lot. He's running down there now. He's in a black shirt. He's coming towards you. Check the mail.
Command 4.
2 Command 4.
Command 4, 10-8, 400, 1445. Portable 2 Command 4. En route to the fire.
10-22. All units under IPOS command on the fire going to use C Charlie 1. All units on the fire 77th and IPOS command going to channel C Charlie 1. Common event 1. 10-24.